Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do multiple uploads at once at teepublic.com. So here we go, we're on the home page of teepublic.com, and all you got to do is click your account picture, and you're going to go to upload a design. Once we are here, as you can see that it says PNG, drop one file here, or click to upload. We're not going to click that one, we're going to actually click the one below it, and this is how you do multiple uploads. So this is the part where you click on this picture, and for this demonstration I'm just going to use two. And I'm going to click get started. For this demonstration, as you can see, it says coffee and puppy, so I'm going to just fill it in. And then for a description, you just want to write a quick story or an explanation or anything creative. So for this one, I would say, who doesn't love coffee? Or how about who doesn't love to drink coffee in the morning and see their puppies too? For the main tag, I'm just going to put puppies. And then for the tags, it's going to give me suggestions, and I'm just going to click on them. And you just want to max these out. As you can see, I'm trying to mix up the keywords here with dogs or puppies and coffee, because the shirt is coffee and puppies. Alright, so we maxed out, so we're just going to go below, and then we're just going to choose a default color. The default color I usually choose is black, just because it's easier to see, and we're just going to check through. As you can see, I'm not sure why, but Teepublic, when I choose black, all of it shows all of them as black colors, but for whatever reason, it doesn't choose the baseball tee, so you got to do it manually. So I'm going to just choose black and white. You want to turn this on for kids. This looks good. Gonna check these out. Alright, I believe all of this looks good. I'm just gonna go to next design. As you can see, it popped up with a new image with the design that I uploaded, and it's just gonna be the same process over again. And then once we're done, we're going to click Publish All.